Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to add friends on Splitwise without typing emails or phone numbers, you can share your QR code instead. Super easy. So first open Splitwise app and tap on the account tab at the bottom right and go to scan code, and here go to my code. So this displays your personal Splitwise QR code that other users can scan. To share it with your friends, hold your phone so your friend can scan the QR code with their Splitwise app. They will be added instantly. Or tap the share icon to send the QR code via WhatsApp, email or messaging apps. Once scanned or shared, your friend will see a prompt to accept the friend request. They tap confirm and you are both connected. Adding a friend does not automatically add any expenses. You are just connected in the app. You can start adding shared bills after you are friends. To add someone else on your side, tap scan from your account screen. Point your camera at their QR and accept their request. And that's it. QR codes are the fastest way to add friends on Splitwise. No typing needed. Like and subscribe for more smart app tips and guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.